Back in August, my boys and I visited Aletsch Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. There are a few different options where you can see the Aletsch Glacier. We opted for the easy touristy option that took us from the village of Betten to Bettmeralp and from there to Bettmerhorn. The return ticket costed us 49 Swiss francs per person, but our 2-year-old could ride the cable cars for free. At Bettmeralp, we were greeted by the fog. We couldn't see any of the views this village is famous for. We've strolled through the village to Bettmerhorn cable car station and admired cute houses on the way there. By the cable car station, we found little restaurant with cool playground with bouncy castles and bobby cars. We were already hungry, so we decided to have a lunch there before heading up to Bettmerhorn. This was a great decision. The food was delicious and our little one enjoyed playing. After lunch, we took the cable car up to Bettmerhorn. It was foggy on the way up, but I was optimistic the fog and clouds will disappear by the time we will reach the top. My wish was granted and the sun and the blue sky greeted us at the top. We strolled on a wooden walkway to the viewpoint overlooking the Aletsch Glacier. But we had no luck. The glacier was hidden by the thick layer of clouds. We've strolled around the Bettmerhorn and pet the cute sheep we've met on the way. After the stroll, we took a look at the multimedia exhibition at the small museum about the glacier located just next to the cable car station. The museum had some pretty creepy puppets narrating the story, but it provided us with good information about the glacier. We've learned the Aletsch Glacier is the longest ice flow in the Alps. The ice of the glacier weighs approximately 26 billion tons, what is equivalent for the weight of more than 250,000 Eiffel Towers. After the museum visit, we returned to the viewing point. This time, we were luckier. The clouds were still there, but we got a glimpse of this majestic marvel of nature. It is sad to think this mass of ice might not be there anymore in a few decades. The climate change is taking its toll. The glacier is shrinking up to 50 meters per year. Way too soon it was time to leave. The fog cleared a bit and the cable car ride down was much nicer and more scenic than the ride up. At Bettmeralp, we were even greeted by the sun. The village looked so nice with the sun, without the fog. The views were amazing and I would love to return one day and explore more what it has to offer.